Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Process Automation. In this tutorial I can explain you how you can easily install the SQ tools or Process Automation tool add-in in your Excel, and how you can install it and how you can utilize it. So there are the few steps that you are supposed to move on. The first step is to download the file of the add-in, then place that file in a particular folder, and then do security check over it, and then mark this add-in or enable this add-in into the Excel. So let's begin. So in the first step, I'm just going to download this file from the link. This link you can also get through the description of this video. Okay, now the file is appearing here and I'm just downloading it. Okay, just move on to, okay, I have already downloaded that, but I'm just using this one. Okay, I'm just placing it on the desktop and I'm renaming it. Okay, now in the next step I'm going to check the properties. Okay, it is block here, so unblock it, apply. Okay, then just copy this file and move into, place it into the specific folder, that is user, and here is your computer name for a particular login, so whatever the user is here, so you can move on there. In the app data, roaming, Microsoft and add-ins, just simply place it there. Okay, after moving, just come over to the Excel. So currently there is no add-in of Process Automation. You just click on add-in, press OK, go, then enable, do check over the Process Automation. Okay, now it has been added here. So do check, is it working? Okay, that's great, it's working fine. Thank you, and please also subscribe this channel so you may get other updates as well. Thank you.